welcome to Vlogmas day. Is it day 3? What day? Vlogmas day 4. Sorry, I got my days mixed up. But today it's not really a vloggy vlog, as you could probably tell. It's like dark outside and it's only 5 o'clock. I just finished, I'm out of breath. Whew. Anyway, I finished walking up the stairs, but I just finished tutoring some high school kiddies, and that went pretty good. I did one little embarrassment. I had one little embarrassment. You know, I'm doing algebra with the kiddies or whatever. He had one question. It was a 2-step division equation, and I was like, okay. So, you know, I'm walking him through it. I'm writing on a whiteboard. Then we got x equals 1. Then one of the other tutors, she was like, wait, erase that. And she's like, do it this way, because the way you did it was confusing. So I erased it and I did it the way she told me to, and then we got 2. So I was like, not me not being able to do high school math, 8th grade math, not me not being able to do that. But I was like, you know what, that just goes to show that everybody makes mistakes. Even I can make mistakes, and it's simple as that to make a mistake in doing math if you don't follow these steps or whatever. But then after that, shorty girl demoted me to pre-algebra since I got one algebra question wrong. But I'm like, I got all the other ones right. So anyways, child, I'm about to go to my aunt's house and help her do something, and then when I get back, we're gonna have an ASOS haul. I originally wanted to wait until all of my Black Friday stuff came, but I can't. I need to do it now. So I guess as my stuff comes in, I'll just include it in the vlogs for Vlogmas. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm probably gonna get something to eat while I'm out, because I've only had a chicken biscuit today and your girl is hungry. So as promised, I am back with the ASOS unboxing, unpackaging / haul. You know, this is just the first part of my Black Friday purchases. So I opened the bag already, and I just went through the bag and cut all the separate bags open so it'll be easier. So first thing I got were these chocolate brown sweatpants, and I have been looking for some chocolate brown sweatpants for forever, and finally found something. It looks a little small in the waist. It's stretchy, so I guess it'll be okay. And I wish I would have got the sweatshirt too, but I don't know what I was thinking. But I got them. They're so cute, and it has like a little drawstring. And this is the ASOS design brand. I got a size UK 6, US 2. So that's the first thing. The second thing, I guess I really love brown on brown and chocolate and everything like that. So the second thing I got was this chocolate shoulder, I guess it's crocodile shoulder bag. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me find out. Yeah, they definitely did something with this. This is definitely a look. So yeah, I really like that. Next, this is basically like an accessories haul, low-key, because I actually did get like quite a few accessories. Next thing I got were these sunglasses, and I actually really love ASOS sunglasses. They always do me right. And these are also kind of low-key a chocolate color with the a tan on the side. And these are just the what are these called? I guess they're rectangle. What are they called? Okay. Camel brown ASOS design chunky frame sunglasses in camel and brown. Okay, so these are the chunky frame sunglasses. Pretty cute. Not mad at it. I actually really like these. Take the sticker off. Okay. Okay. It's a look. It's a look. It's a look. Okay, it's really, I don't know, but all this brown stuff is doing something for me. Like, I'm moved. I'm loving the brown. Like, I'm loving the brown. I'm loving it. Okay. Next, I got a green London exclusive fedora with buckle and detail in khaki. Oh, okay. I'm not liking that my daggone hat is deformed. See, this is what I be talking about. Male people do not be caring. I really do hate that when I receive something and it's not how it's supposed to be. Whatever. Hold on, because this one a little small. That's like almost a one size fit all. My head a little. This, I don't know. This must be smaller than the other ones I have. What the heck? ASOS. I don't like this. Hold on. I don't know what it is, but I'm not liking it. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to stuff it so it can form back, and then I'll have to come back with my opinion about it. But as of now, I don't like it. Yeah, I'm super confused on what this even is. Like, this is a letdown. Like, no. Looks like, I don't know what this is, but it just looks like that. Like I'm on a boat, like I'm a fisherman. Like, what is this? You know what? Keep going. So next, I just got this padded shoulder shirt, and it's the Monkey brand. Yeah, it's the brand Monkey, and it's basically a muscle tee. It just has pads sewn in it, you know. And it smells like vinegar, which I don't like. Fast fashion is catching up to us, because there's no reason. Stinks. And lastly, I just got this what is this, a necklace? It's a lock necklace in silver, and let me put it on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I don't do chokers. Okay. Okay. It's not a choker. It's, and I don't know what I was thinking about this. It's low-key giving me, Rockstar. Very much so streetwear. I'm not too sure how I'm feeling about it. Maybe I'll just have to put it on with like clothes, like actual, like a fit, to see like how I'm feeling. But this, it's not doing anything for me. It's not moving me, so I don't know. But thank you for tuning in to Day 4 of Vlogmas. I will see you tomorrow, and like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. You know the deal. So toodles.